Why do 75% of travelers miss out on the Paraná Delta's breathtaking beauty? Don't be one of them. Nestled in Argentina, the Paraná Delta is a labyrinth of rivers and wetlands. Historically, it's been a lifeline for trade and culture. Picture lush islands, dense forests, and winding waterways. It's a paradise for over 400 bird species and countless aquatic creatures. The water quality here, surprisingly pristine thanks to the natural filtration of its wetlands. Locals cherish fishing, boating, and unique traditions like the annual boat parade. Dive beneath the surface to find vibrant underwater life. But this paradise faces threats like pollution and deforestation. Conservation efforts are in full swing to protect this vital ecosystem. Want to experience it? Highlights include sunset cruises, birdwatching, and tranquil retreats. Unveil the Paraná Delta and see why it's a biodiversity hotspot. Ready to add it to your travel bucket list?